Hi guys, hope you're well. Hi YouTubers, it's Matt Feast. I just quickly do a video on the company I've been involved in the last 7 or 8 months now. Do like it. It's working very well. Very safe. It's teaching a lot of members and myself how to trade correctly and properly, basically, without getting wrecked on the trading platforms. Very good business. I like it, and the good thing about it, they're not in control of your money. Basically, you're in control of your own funds, and the platform is really good for trading and teaching you how to trade properly and safely. Okay, and the beauty about it, if you do become a full member, we do have a portal, which is this. This is the portal. It tells you the dips because we bind the dips. Okay, and it's a very safe way of doing it. There's lots of videos teaching you how to do it, even in the free boot camp when you're a free member. Um, the guy who's actually owns it as CEO is Justin Clark. He's done some free videos for free people coming in just to get the grips of it and see what the company's all about and how to trade. It's like a little free boot camp he does as well, which is no brainer, ideal for you freebie guys just coming in, see what it's like, and then if you want to upgrade, yeah, no, you can do. You can upgrade per month or one big payment. It's up to you, But all the information will be below the video in my description. So click on my link. Would be good. And also subscribe to my channel. That'd be amazing. And also PM me. Talk to me. Meanwhile, this is the portal. Okay, it tells you where to trade. For example, say Trade Finder. Go to Trade Finder. These are the exchanges I use. Okay, Binance and Coinbase. Okay, the quick short description. This is the volume, and it just tells you when they're dipping. Because at the end of the day, if you're trading, you'll be going all for the charts or for the exchanges, trying to find the best coin to trade. You're buying at the dip, but it'll take you absolute ages. So this is very good. This is bolted onto the actual main account. It's roughly an extra €10 $10 a month, worth its weight in gold. But really good. For example, if I'm looking for the coin here and I see a good little volume, which is look, volume here. Let's go for this one here. Okay, let's go for let's go for AXLLUSD. Okay, click on that, and the charts, it actually appears up here, so you can see what's going on. It's telling you where the dip is. So if I enlarge it, it's showing you where the dip is. If you watch the video, you'll understand what I'm trying to say. Watch the free boot camp when you come into the video. The link will be below the video. Okay, and just have a look. It teaches you how to do this first, if you believe. It's a free boot camp, but you get more if you become an active member. You have all the information here. You have tools, you have VIP training, lots and lots of information here. And you can actually promote this business. It's up to you. You don't have to. It's completely optional. We have forums about if you get stuck and you ask the question, you can ask the question inside the group. It's very good, and you can actually become a good trader. You can actually do this part-time or full-time, up to you. Set yourself a goal and away you go. But it's a very good platform. It teaches you how to trade online cryptocurrency and the safe way without losing your shirt, so they say. But there's this quick disclaimer: all cryptocurrency is a risk, but this company does teach you how to trade properly without taking those risks. Okay, but please just scroll down, click on the video. Click the link below, and take a look for yourself. You get a free boot camp. Okay, there's Justin Clark tells you what's going on, what's happening about the business. There's loads of tutorials and loads of testimonials we do have, and we have some step-by-step videos which are very important. So when you actually sign up, okay, for free, you come to say my Icon training. You'll see the free boot camp as a free member, which is up here. All right, there's loads of information. I think you get about 2 or 3 videos teaching you how to trade, how to set your trades up, how to use the trading view charts step by step. When you become a full member, there's loads and loads of training here, absolutely loads. Certainly, you can actually make a good income without getting scammed by these third-party companies. You can actually do it yourself by trading. This is the portal. This is only for active members. Have a look, just take a look, see what you think. And anyway, meanwhile, have a great day. My name's Matt Feast. Take care. Have a great day.